Your iPhone 13 Pro Max still feels premium. That massive display still looks incredible. The cameras still hold up ridiculously well. And thanks to Apple's ceramic shield, a lot of people assume the screen is basically indestructible. It's not. And that false confidence is exactly why so many people end up paying brutal repair bills. One bad drop on concrete, one face-down fall off a kitchen counter, one unlucky hit on gym equipment. And suddenly, that beautiful display turns into a very expensive spiderweb. That's exactly why a good screen protector still matters, even on a phone this durable. But here's where people mess up. They either buy the cheapest protector possible, or they overspend on premium brands that don't actually give much more protection. And that's why today, we're breaking down the best iPhone 13 Pro Max screen protectors worth buying right now. From budget-friendly packs to privacy glass and full camera protection bundles. And trust me, number one gives you way more value than most people expect. All product links are in the description below if you want updated pricing. And quick question before we jump in. What usually destroys your screen protectors first? Drops? Scratches? Bad installation? Or kids stealing your phone? Drop your answer in the comments. Let's jump in. Before we hit number 6, here's the biggest mistake people make. They buy screen protectors based purely on 9H hardness marketing. And almost every brand says that. What actually matters is installation quality, edge durability, clarity, and whether Face ID still works perfectly. Starting at number 6, the Unbreakable protector is built for people who want heavy-duty protection without spending premium money. And the biggest reason this one stands out is value. You're getting 3 protectors in the box. That immediately helps if you mess up installs or crack one later. And let's be honest, most people don't install perfectly on the first try. The reinforced multi-layer glass feels very durable, and it handles face-down drops better than many cheaper options. The included alignment frame also makes installation easier. That matters because bad installs ruin otherwise great products. The open edge design is another smart move. It works much better with bulky cases. The downside? You'll notice tiny edge gaps, and outdoor glare can be stronger than premium anti-glare options. Still, for durability and backups, this is strong. At number 5, Ailun is all about affordability, and this is perfect for people who go through screen protectors constantly. Keys, coins, random scratches, daily wear. This handles all of that surprisingly well. You get 3 protectors, good clarity, and smooth touch response. Once installed, it feels very close to the original screen. But here's the catch. No premium alignment tray. That means installation requires patience, and edge durability isn't as strong as higher-end competitors. Still, if budget matters most, this is a very safe option. At number 4, TEMPRTEK Plus is for privacy-focused users, and this becomes incredibly useful in public spaces. Airports, coffee shops, public transportation, offices. Its privacy filter keeps side-angle viewers from seeing your screen. That alone makes it appealing. But what makes this one even more interesting, it includes anti-glare performance. That helps outdoors and reduces reflections. The downside? Like every privacy protector, your display gets slightly dimmer. That means you may increase brightness more often. But if privacy matters most, this is one of the better options available. At number 3, Magic John solves one of the most frustrating problems in tech accessories: dust. Because nothing feels worse than a perfect install ruined by one tiny dust particle. That's exactly why this became so popular. The pull tab installation system feels almost foolproof. You place it, pull the tab, done. That simplicity makes it perfect for beginners. And the built-in speaker dust protection is a surprisingly useful bonus. The downside? The packaging uses more plastic than most competitors, and it costs slightly more. Still, for stress-free installation, this is fantastic. At number 2, ESR continues being one of the most reliable accessory brands out there. And this protector feels incredibly balanced. Strong durability, great clarity, easy installation, and excellent value. That included. UltraFit Tray makes alignment extremely easy, and the pressure resistance makes this a strong choice for people who drop their phones often. Compared to many premium brands, ESR simply gives you more value, especially with 3 protectors included. The downside? You'll still notice minor edge gaps with thicker cases, but overall, this is one of the safest recommendations here. Now, before we reveal number 1, ask yourself this: are you only protecting your screen, or are you protecting your entire phone? Because most people completely ignore one expensive area, their camera lenses, and that's exactly why number 1 wins. The QHOHQ 6-in-1 kit gives you complete protection. 3 screen protectors, 3 camera lens protectors. That instantly separates it from most competitors. And those camera lenses on the 13 Pro Max aren't cheap to repair. The lens protectors also do a better job reducing flash issues than many cheaper alternatives. That matters if you take lots of night photos. The included alignment frame keeps installation simple, and the overall value is extremely hard to beat. The downside? It doesn't have Magic John's premium installation system, but for total protection, this wins. So here's the final breakdown. Best heavy-duty value? Unbreakable. Best budget pick? Ailun. Best privacy protector? TEMPRTEK Plus. Best installation system? Magic John. Best overall glass protector? ESR. And best total protection kit? QHOHQ. Check the links below for updated pricing because deals change constantly. And if this video helped save your iPhone from an expensive repair bill, hit subscribe for more no-fluff tech buying guides. And tell me in the comments, are you team screen-only protection or full camera protection too?